family. Morning. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Luto. Hi. So I am, what am I doing today? Today I'm busy with people's documents once again, and I'll see if I can make time for, I didn't even call them to make an appointment. I need to ask them if I can come in today to have my laser done, because the hair's growing back, but growing back much thinner. It's no longer coarse. I have only one strand that's like coarse, but all the other hairs are like fine. Not fine, but because they shouldn't be here, but they're okay. Like I don't mind the growth, So let me quickly do this and pick up more documents, and then if they allow me to do the laser today, I will go to Centurion, from Pretoria to Centurion, and then go home. Breaking news. Breaking the bank news. Breaking news. Okay, let me first show you my phone. This is my phone. Okay, let me show you the back. This is the back. Okay. It's all me, guys. I can't even blame my son for this. It's all me. Because I have slippery hands. Slippery hands, yep, that's me. But now, you don't want to join me. But now, guys, my man, mine. Let him drop him in the club. Look at this. Did you guys see this? This. Haven't unboxed it. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The comment by the phone, guys, like, yo. Okay, if you don't of course. But I have it. Do I take this off? Or maybe I do this. Okay, maybe not.
Is on course.
iPhone is Zulena, babe.
Khazula or le khazula shi.
The khazula app. Let's go cook. And you know what? Oh,
No, means. Oh, darling.
I know life cover. They did the life cover. This is. Wait. Baby, isendle yapi mntwana mntwana ndedwa wasemhlabeni guys
Usebenza le mali ikhaya nonyana
imali yami tuna guys isenzola kuyakudala ucharge ifone overnight. Overdrainer, baby. I don't mind doing that. Guys, we can.
I think the battery will be some on half. And then.
It's actually like 95%.
95.
Ima, jongapi? Lozomlungu. When last did me? Set up manually. Isn't go, Kasiri? It's in Wi-Fi. I don't think I come Wi-Fi. Okay, that's a Wi-Fi. Password. Oh. Hello? Do you write in Johnny? Baby, to smile. Move your head slowly. I don't know.
What one is the last iCloud account up here? Yes. Was I not too long? I won't even think you remember the passwords.
I look, I've been moving my head, guys.
I did that.
Use Face ID with a mask. Are you a true mask here though? Face ID, okay. Passcode.
What is the passcode?
Chomia Poeda. Restore from iCloud back up. Yeah. Morning family. So first of all, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that okay, morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Friday morning. I'm dropping off my son at Krish. Next up, I'm going to submit these submit some documents, and I'm also gonna okay, start off again. Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I can baby what?
Not on tripod. This.
Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just preparing a couple of documents that I need to submit. I'm gonna do that after I've dropped off my son at Krish, and then I'm gonna run a few errands, but I'll take you guys with me. Oh, I just spent the morning. I had to come back home, and I just spent the morning looking for my license. Turns out, oh baby girl, this baby girl. Oh no, wait. Turns out it's in this phone. We looked everywhere, under the couches, in the rooms. Oh, I forgot my lip gloss. Why? Okay, in interesting. Inch. Yeah, but anyway, we eventually found my license, and now first things first, I'm gonna go to anyway, but I have to find what's this place? Take a lot. I have to go to Take a Lot and get my pouch. It's supposed to be here today. I'm going to pick up my pouch and then make my way to Pretoria, and then after Pretoria I'm going to between Woodmead and Sandton. If I'm going to Sandton, I'm going for a client. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today.